Okay, is Ebido where?
So I see that blue door.
Which?
The blue door.
Which of the blue door?
That blue door. That door.
That door, yes.
The conference hall. That was where they signed the agreement.
That's what the Ojukwu and Gowon signed the agreement.
Now Aburi will start no fight in Nigeria 1967.
In Ebido where the man.
So go there and take the picture.
So that this blue door.
Yeah, that is sanitary.
Because I saw General Ankara.
Yeah.
With I saw General Ankara, Gowon, and Ojukwu. Yeah. They were all set. This is exactly where Ojukwu and Gowon, Ojukwu come and start eating together with
no.
Yes, they were eating big meat. Look, and Ojukwu later light up cigarettes.
Phone, I have that pictures in that phone.
Yeah.
I didn't bring it. Like I will show you the pictures where Ojukwu carried the big meat, big chicken.
Yeah, okay.
Are you still alive?
No, because Ojukwu just died.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about Gowon.
Gowon is still alive, yes. So you work here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in case like some people come, you are the guys that are taking people around to them exactly what happened in this premises. Okay. Thank you very much, my brother. What's your name?
Maxwell.
Maxwell.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So this blue door, that is exactly where the agreement was signed.
Yeah.
That we should have independent. That's everybody should be autonomous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know Gowon's sister is still alive?
Gowon himself is still alive.
So Gowon's sister came here last year.
Gowon's sister.
She forced me to take her up there.
To go and see exactly where
I had to stay at the back and push her small to see club. I just want to see where the brother signed
the agreement. But they deny that nothing like that signed over here.
Hey, you know your people.